going to find some answers for a few questions. So here is our first question then. Ethane with the molecular formula C2H6 has how many covalent bonds in it? I repeat the question. Ethane with the molecular formula C2H6. How many covalent bonds are found in this ethane? To know how many covalent bonds, let us write the structural formula for ethane. Eth means how many carbon? So, to know the covalent bond, let us first write the structural formula for ethane. Eth means how many carbon? There are 2 carbons, right? So, eth means there are 2 carbon. Ane means it is single bond. So, there are 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. 2 carbon atom with single bond and 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay, let me write 6 hydrogen. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out how many covalent bonds are found between these compounds. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the one more is this. That is the 7th one. Okay. So totally there are 7 covalent bonds. You know what are covalent bonds? Covalent bonds are the bonds which share the electron between the atoms, right? Here carbon and hydrogen are sharing the atoms between them. So there are totally 7 covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th one is here. Okay. So the answer is the second option, that is it is having the 7 covalent bond. Okay. Ethane with the molecular formula C2H6 has 7 covalent bond. Okay. The next question is find alkynes. Okay, here are some molecular formula, that is CH4, C2H6, C2H2, C4H6 and C3H8. So among these molecular formulas, we have to find which molecular formulas comes under alkyne. So when I say alkyne, they are the hydrocarbons which have the triple bond between the carbon and carbon atom. They are unsaturated. Correct? So to know this, which formula belongs to alkyne, we should know their general formula, right? What is the general formula of alkyne then? The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n-2. Correct? So by taking this general formula of alkyne, let us substitute the values of N. Okay? So let us start with 1. When N is equals to 1, when N is equals to 1, that is C1H2 into 1 minus 2, that is C1H, 2 ones are 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Is this correct? First let us look at, is this correct? C1H0 is found here? It is wrong. Correct? This is wrong. So now N is equals to 1 is not found in alkyne. Okay. Now let us substitute N is equals to 2. When I substitute N is equals to 2, then it will be for this formula, okay, C2H2 into 2 minus 2. That will be C2H. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 is 2. C2H2. So C2H2. Whether it is found in this? Yes, C2H2 is there. C2H6 is not found because it is an alkene compound. It is a compound of alkane. So, first and second one is not found in alkyne. The third one, that is C2H2, is the second member of the alkyne, that is ethyne. Okay. So, now let us substitute N is equals to 3. So, when N is equals to 3, it is C3H 3 into 2 minus 2. That means C3H, 3 2s are 6 minus 2 is 4. C3H4. Do we have C3H4 here? No, it is not found. But it is also a member of alkyne. So next, let us substitute N is equals to 4. When N is equals to 4, it is C4H. 4 2s are 8 minus 2, that is C4H6. Correct? This is the fourth member of alkyne. Whether it is present? Yes. C4H6 is present. So what about C3H8? If you look at C3H8, it is easy to identify. It is 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. So this is a member of again alkane. So for C3 we got C3H4. So this is not an alkyne, it is an alkane. It is an alkane. CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H8 it is propane. These are the members of alkane. But we have to find the members of alkynes. So we have to find the members of alkynes. In the given molecular formula, we have to find the members of alkynes. It is very easy to find out. If we know their general formula, it is easy to find out the members of any saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbons. So here we found out the molecular formula for alkynes. Here C2H2 and C4H6, they belongs to alkynes. C2H2 is ethyne, C4H6 is butane. Okay, it is ethyne and butane. So it is very easy to find out the molecular formula and structural formula if we know their general formula. Okay, I hope you understood the solutions for these two questions. In next session, I will teach you few more electron dot structures for some of the questions. Okay, thank you children.